Hi everyone, live from the Ananda, I have the amazing Chef Arun with me today. What we want to do is demonstrate something that is so simple based on local ingredients which have existed for years in our country. A high source of protein, a great breakfast option for your children, for you as an adult, and it tastes good at the end of the day. So what we have, and Chef Arun's going to demonstrate to make this little simple thing, which is really inexpensive, we have something called Sattu. Now, why I like Sattu is because this is such a high source of protein and great energy. For someone who is sick, for someone who's healing, of course, we got to be careful with someone who has very high potassium levels. You want to make sure that you monitor the amount of Sattu that you have. And then we have raw organic honey. You want to make sure that your honey is always raw and unpasteurized because most of the commercial honey is mixed with sugar, and that takes away the medicinal benefits of honey. We have curd, we have pure curd. Now, if you are lactose intolerant, if you are lactase intolerant, or you are vegan, instead of using this, you can use plain water as well. So, Chef Arun, over to you to demonstrate how to make this super powerful, healthy option.
Thank you very much. I would like to talk about bit Sattu, what exactly it is. It comes from states like Bihar and Jharkhand, where the local farmers use it as their staple protein intake. So this is something very important for us in terms of it has the insoluble fiber, which is readily, it doesn't mix up in our body. So that fiber which we need. Secondly, which the most people go for, this is the protein which it has. So Sattu is a mix of gram flour and other things as well which you can include. So this is just roasted and then made into a powder. It can be had with a normal water or just milk or almond milk or any source of probiotic buttermilk. You can just add on to the things. So what we're doing over here is that we have some buttermilk over here with us. You can use almond milk, you can use water, plain water in this. So just mix 2 tablespoons of Sattu in at least 100 ml of water or buttermilk. You just mix it up so that there are no lumps into that. You can add bit of yogurt also into this, which can be more, if you want a thicker consistency, you can use that. I'll be adding a bit of the organic honey, which I have with me readily available.
Chef, can you use jaggery as an option as
We
well?
can use jaggery as well. It's just the sweeteners. We can use stevia as a natural sweeteners. We can use palm sugar, whatever sweetener you like, you can use that. Just mix up the batter, and this wonderful drink, a protein power packed shake is ready for you. So this is a Sattu power shake, which can be a very good source of protein, a good insoluble fiber for your body, and also something which will, fill your appetite. Definitely that is the thing to go for in the morning.
I recommend it for your kids as well because this is something that you can make in the morning easily. It doesn't take time, as you can see, and it's something that your child can have on the go, basically.